Well guys, this video's been a long time in the making because I didn't know when to do it, but a lot of you have been asking me about like how do I keep the truck so clean and blah 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 blah. But in this video I'm going to go over all that is wrong with the truck body wise and all that other stuff, because like I do appreciate the comments saying it's so clean and blah and all that stuff, but cameras and video, you know, GoPros and cameras let you get up close with it, doesn't do a truck justice. And I don't want to be like I'm hiding anything from you all. Like everybody, like I just want to be, you know, truthful with you all. So in this video we're gonna go over everything wrong with the body and why I'm getting it paint corrected. But look at that, look at that. That picture is so cool. All right guys, like I said before in the previous part of this video, I thank you all so much for the comments and saying like it's one like the most perfect K1500s I've ever seen, cleanest, blah 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 blah, and all that other stuff. But the truck is 22 years old, same age as me. And you know, at 22 years old, they're gonna have imperfection with this truck. Do I off-road it? No. Do I go through some flooded roads? Sometimes. Do I clean it all the time? Hell yeah. But unfortunately with these trucks, the 99 to 2000 or 99 to 2002 and the 2003 through the 07 cat-eye years, no matter how much you clean them, unless you never drive an assist in a garage its whole life, they're gonna have issues. So with that being said, I'm gonna go over what's wrong with the truck, like body wise, and why I'm doing body work and paint correction. Hopefully in 2019 is when, that's the big thing for 2019 for me, is getting this truck body corrected and paint corrected and stuff like that. First off is the front grille, original to the truck. As you can see, the plastic chrome is chipping off of it right here. That's why this is getting taken off, getting color matched to the truck. The front bumper's being taken off because it's got a dent right in here. And it was bought with the truck. I don't know why it was right there. It was hidden by the oh crap, the bull bar and the license plate holder when I bought the truck. So there's a dent right there. That's why that's being taken off, and I have a new one. The trim work's being taken off because you got dents like this in here, scratches on it. This is peeling off like they usually do on these years of trucks. Unfortunately, it's just one of those things. It's starting to peel and stuff like that. You know, and then you got like a little bit. No, actually, over here is pretty okay. But stuff like that, guys, it's a 22-year-old truck. It's like Bad Z71. Follow him on Instagram if you don't. Like his truck, he's got, you know, rocker panel issue. That's a common thing on these trucks. Especially when he lives out in Missouri. I think he lives out in Missouri, to where they get a lot more salt, snow, and ice and stuff like that than we do over here in East Tennessee. So I don't know how you northern guys do it. I really don't. But that's what's wrong with the body. And of course you got like this big dent right here. It came with the truck. Get that popped out, sanded down, and redone. But it's just one of those things, guys. When you drive an older truck, especially like me, it's almost my daily driver. It pretty much is my daily driver. Stuff's gonna happen to these trucks. I mean, is it one of the cleanest factory paint, never been touched trucks? I would like to say so, yes. I've seen a little bit better, cleaner ones. Like I said, they've been sitting in the garage their whole life, never been driven. Now come to the body wise. Of course, you got the typical scratches, the door dings, stuff like that. Like there's one on right here, little one right in this area. You've got like just typical scratches, stuff like that. Of course, running wider tires. You got rock chips, you can see right there, rock chips galore all the way up and down the rockers and over on here on this side, right through here. It just kind of named the beast. But unfortunately, my truck has been plagued with the typical OBS issue. I've got rust bubbles bubbling up through the paint right here. I think the body is still solid. I think it's just underneath the paint, or it could be all the way through. I don't know. I can't see up really underneath there to do it. But no rocker issues that I can tell. Just this side cab corner right here. And I've caught it early enough to where I think they don't have to cut anything out. They can just they can fill it or fix it or however they do it. But you can see the paint kind of bubbling right there, right in there. I mean, it's still pretty solid. And it's just one of those things, guys. I clean up underneath there, I sprayed up underneath there, I don't let anything sit underneath there. That's why I don't off-road it, don't mud bog it, don't do anything like that. But it's just kind of one of those things. And I mean, I've got some clear, like a little bit of clear paint. I think it's on either this side or on this side that's kind of starting to peel a little bit. I mean, like I said, guys, it's a 22-year-old truck. It's not gonna be perfect. Like I said, I don't like to lie to you all. Don't want to lie to you all. That's not fair to any of you all. So I'm just gonna be real honest with you all. I need a bath desperately. The reason why I haven't given us such a gorgeous day like today is A, it's freaking cold as hell for some reason, being in East Tennessee, and B, we have rain due tomorrow through all the rest of the week. So I don't want to clean the truck and then have it nasty and dirty again. I sprayed it off though. I got most of the dust and grime. I just sprayed off at the local spray off station. But just stuff like that, guys. I've owned this truck for almost 4 years in July. It'll be 4 years in July when how long I've owned it. Multiple road trips, 2 times to Daytona, Florida. I mean, the truck, I can't complain. I mean, I love this truck to death, and I never want to get rid of it because I won't find another one like it. But that's what's the common issue. That's what's going on with my truck, guys. And you know, the paint chipping on the windshield wiper blade, or the arm part right here, that's kind of typical of these trucks. But that's what's going on with the truck, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching this video and the support, guys. I know you all just support so much. I can't thank you all enough. And I hope you all find this video informative. You know, I know some of you guys have it worse off than me because you messaged me and sent me pictures, and I feel so sorry for you all, especially you guys up north. Again, I don't know how you all do it. I really don't. But I want to thank you all so much for supporting me, supporting the channel, supporting the truck, my sponsors, everything, guys. It means the world to me. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing and changing and trying new and better things. Again, thank you all for 6,000 plus followers. I mean, I can't believe we've already crossed the 6,000 subscriber threshold. When I first started this channel, I thought it was going to be a fun thing for me and my friends to do, but it blew up into something I cannot even imagine it blowing up into. So thank you all so much. All of you, have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.